Iceman. Spider-Man. Moon Knight.
This is what I've been waiting for!
Greetings, human. I would ask that you travel to Niflheim to see how Odin fares. We have not heard from him in quite some time. Odin in danger? Very doubtful. But he could require assistance. He has gone there to quell an army of frost giants who seek to take full control of that land. Yes, he has taken Gungnir, the Spear of Heaven. It is golden, has 3 prongs, and is made of uru, the metal Thor's hammer is made of. They are huge creatures native to the frozen land of Niflheim. For eons, they have been the enemy of the Asgardian gods. Though simple-minded, frost giants are cunning and violent. They are also extremely strong, and are a match for almost any god. The strongest of them is their leader, Ymir. He is one of the oldest creatures in all of Asgard, and the very first frost giant. Being the first, he differs from his followers. He is covered in frost, and is able to generate intense cold. Ymir is also incredibly strong. It was my pleasure.
The final phase of our plan is about to commence. The attack on the Omega base, the kidnapping of the X-Man, and our dealings with Mephisto have all led up to this moment. I would remind you that failure is not an option.
You worry too much, my good doctor. We are more than prepared to achieve our ultimate goal.
And you worry too little. How often have we all had victory firmly in our grasp, only to have it snatched away by the heroes?
You do realize, Baron Mordo, that the price of failure will be the wrath of Odin. Are you prepared for that?
No. No, I don't suppose I am.
None of us are. It would be a fate worse than death.
And that is why we must be absolutely certain we are willing to do what must be done for success.
Fear not, Dr. Doom. I am prepared for whatever challenges we meet.
As am I. Just knowing the rewards that await makes it all worthwhile.
Of that, you have no fear, Ultron. Everyone will get what's coming to them.
So you've returned, eh? Well, I've nothing left to steal, so leave me in peace. He did pass through here on his way to battle. I don't know who he fought, but the very ground shook from the force of the blows. It has recently grown silent, and I fear all is not well for Odin. I am Vola, prophetess of Asgard. I believe you when you say you do not have my ring. But should you find it, I would gladly tell your fortune.
Sure thing.
Hi.
Sure thing. As you wish.
Yes. Lunar eclipse!
Who's next? If you say so.
I feel as mighty as Odin!
Didn't see that coming, did you?
chance against the God of Thunder. Huh.
Yeah, we certainly showed Vola, didn't we, Kurt?
Yes, but I would not be too proud. Vola never told us where the key was to unlock this trunk.
Give me a boulder, and we'll have no need for a key.
What are you doing, humans? Don't tell me you're here to help Odin.
The gods must truly be defeated to need allies such as these.
You would dare to challenge us? How utterly insane.
Fear the might of Thor, villain! You stood little chance against the God of Thunder. Huh.
Booyah!
The Human Torch. Ghost Rider.
Are we battling supermodels this time?
So you did find my ring. I knew there was an honest air about you. No, you must keep it. For I see that you will need it to show you the light. You will know when you see it. Though that success will be short-lived. As will you. You are all destined to die at the moment of victory. I'm afraid not. You are destined to be destroyed. I have foreseen it.
This is better than a spider bite.
I have vanquished this fiend.
Okay by me? Sure. Okay by me? Who's hot? Me. That's who. I'm kind of low on power.
I. To challenge me.
This does not bode well at all. The sword must have been used on Odin. And if that happened... You must move with all haste. Locate Odin. He is no doubt now the prisoner of Loki and Dr. Doom. I could not even hazard a guess. But do not tarry. Odin's life is most likely in danger.
Fear me, pitiful creatures, for no one can match the might of Ymir, the king of the frost giants. That petty tyrant has been defeated and is now in the control of Dr. Doom. Ah, what a battle that was! The look upon Odin's face will long be a treasured memory. To the top of Raven's Spire. There, Loki will seek out the invincible destroyer armor. Then, he will rule Asgard. What a glorious day this is for my people. It is for you, little ones. It is is for you. Your friends cannot help you now.
Okay by me? Smash the tiny ones! Hey, I need help!
I.
I cannot be beaten.
That cannot be done.
The turkey's done.
Surrender, that we might end this foolishness. Foolish to challenge me. Okay. As you wish.
No problem.
Fear the might of Thor, villain!
The turkey's done.
Smell like old
By your
cheese.
command.
Okay by me.
Aye. Thunder. Require health. As you wish. To challenge me.
Right. All right.
As you wish.
Captain America. Wolverine.
Onward to battle!
This is an outrage. How dare Loki and Doom leave us behind? I'll not stand for it.
This is not an unforeseen outcome. They now each get what they desire without having to share the spoils with us.
We'll just see about that. All we have to do is guess which spear is truly Odin's. That will open the barrier.
can you use your power of mind control to get the elf to choose for us?
It is all too simple for the Master of Magic. Go, elf. Choose a spear for your master, Baron Mordo.
An unfortunate outcome.
How did you get here? You shouldn't have been able to cross the bridge.
Evidence suggests differently. Let us battle them.
My. What an unexpected surprise. But don't you know, it's not safe up here on Raven's Peak. At least not for the likes of you. Sorry, but I'm not exactly sure what's happened to Daddy Dearest. You see, Dr. Doom has him. I seek to take control of the Destroyer armor, but I require 4 God Swords to free it from its prison of ice. It is a magical shell created by Odin. The wearer's consciousness is pulled inside, leaving their body outside in a frozen state. The Destroyer armor is so powerful that even the mighty Thor cannot defeat it. I invite you to do your best, but know this. I will possess the Destroyer armor.
I'm on it. Give me some help. All right.
Of Thor, villain. This is better than a spider fight. challenge me.
No. Any knowledge you gain would be helpful. All right, Fury out.
Welcome back. Affirmative. Good luck, and watch yourselves.
I'm on it.
As you wish.
Yeah.
All right.
As you wish.
I'm on it.
By your command.
If you say so.
All right.
As you wish.
Right.
Yeah.
Affirmative.
Yes.
All right.
Got it.
As you wish.
Got it.
Yes.
You did an excellent job.
Thank you for doing what I could never have accomplished alone. You should know by now that deception is my greatest weapon. You never teleported back to Valhalla. You're in a land of mining. Yes, and now I will take possession of the Destroyer armor and crush the life from you.
the plan I stole from S.H.I.E.L.D. specified. I took Odin's bomb to Raven's Peak, and using skill, stole his power. Yes, I now control the absolute power of the mightiest god. The universe is mine for the taking. Not this time. My trial will be absolute. For now, I will assign you to the eternal darkness of Odin.